What's up, everybody? Jason from JTV Life. Just got home. I'm gonna reach into my freezer and pull out some pizza dough that I prepared about a month ago. So that way in this video, we can answer the age-old question. Is frozen dough just as good as fresh dough? Can we make our dough ahead of time? Will it turn out the same or worse or better? Let's see.
The first step to getting our pizza dough from a frozen ball of flour back into a ball of pizza dough is to sort of reconstitute it. So we're going to do that by unwrapping it from the plastic wrap and then coating it in olive oil and putting it in another container where it can thaw out and begin to expand. Once the dough is all wrapped up, it's going to sit in the fridge overnight pretty much until you get a nice, airy, fluffy looking dough ball that rolls out into something like this. Now, this method is good because you can have dough on hand, but since you got to thaw it out overnight, it's not really saving you any time. But it's a good option for if you have leftover pizza dough from a pizza night and you don't want to waste it and save it. Or if you have a friend that wants to make pizza and doesn't know how to make dough, you can freeze balls and give it to them. Now, finally, how do we freeze the balls? Just go about making any old recipe that you like to do, preferably one of mine. Check out the links in the description below. And right after the dough is done mixing, before you would do what normally would be called the bulk fermentation phase, before it's risen at all, you're going to portion it into your size dough balls that you want and double wrap them super tight in plastic wrap. The dough balls that I cooked up today in this video were my Virgin 2 Neapolitan pizza dough recipe. Check that out. It came out really nice. The flavor was good. It was good and airy. It had the nice little bubbles on it. It was really easy to work. So I will say this method does work. That dough was 1 month old. These ones I just put in, we're going to do an experiment. I'm going to pull them out after 2 months, and we'll see if they still work as good. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss the video. Thanks a lot for coming by, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.